got pumpkin cheesecake. We got pumpkin bread. We got a bunch of ingredients right here. We got some water or some, actually nothing's cooking, so we can actually turn that off. And we've got some more cornbread right here that we're going to take with us. Our food is good. Our water's good. We are in great shape. What we not are in, we are not in, is a good spot for our horde base. I haven't even stopped to think about this yet. Currently my idea is to knock, I'm not gonna, that door's gonna be a lot to knock out, but I kind of want to get rid of these double doors, or these barn doors, and then turn it into like a route that the zombies can come into. Maybe add doors into the back as well so the zombies can get into the back, and then turn it into some sort of like um what's the word? Like a tower base. So I need to clear out all of in here, and I want to use this ladder over here to maybe pull zombies up to me and have different stages. So like when zombies get up there, and like maybe I can start up there and shoot down from them into here, hoping that they come towards this way. But if they come from the back, that's going to be a problem. So I might end up making a front and back door, but I'm gonna work on all of that tonight. As it's just there's just no need for me to work on it before tonight. For now, what we need to do, what I want to do, um, is hopefully we can get a hammer or a pickaxe. That would be nice. You see, we got the bike, so hopefully we can get the hammer and pickaxe. Something I need to look at real quick is we still can't craft anything yet. We can do level 5. Um, but we need to craft the farming equipment. That is one of the things is once we get the farming equipment, we need to craft it. And we need to just go with the farming equipment the entire time. Which is wild that like it doesn't add to your farming abilities. It just adds to how much health and stamina you get when you eat, which is just weird. So I need armor kits, which I didn't think I didn't think I was gonna need, or I didn't know I was gonna need, and just the ability to craft them. So what I'm gonna do today, real quick, I should go up over here again, but I want to take this road down here first, and see if we can find a trader. What is the tier of this place? This is a tier 4. That might actually be a fun place to go into. But for now, I just want to look and see if we can find a trader. I would love to find a trader, so we're gonna just run around, drive around here on our bike, see if we can find anything worth either looting into or see if we can find a closer trader. Because that just a trader would be really nice. What is this back here? Is this another military outpost? This is another military outpost, isn't it? Yeah, we have a lot of military places over here. Is that up there? Oh, there's a bunny. Yeah, it's another military base. Not even gonna check that. Let's go look at this place real quick. That's that. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. So let's head back this and check maybe that route. I'm just afraid a 4 skull POI with our current equipment is just going to be a little too rough. We just and we don't. I mean, we need ammo, so it might just be better for us to stick to town. But I would love to find the closest trader. I don't think the closest trader is going to be the one we started by, though. I really hope and think there's going to be a closer one, because that one's about a kilometer away, and that's just too far. So here's the road. Let's just go up for a bit and see what we can find. I wanted to wait until we had the bike to do these further searches. I'm only going to be out until probably about 10 o'clock before I start to head back for sure. If we don't find anything soon, we'll go back sooner. What's this place? Let's see. Let's just check this place out. This'll be fun. Right, before we get going, we've got 3 skill points. Let's put a point into Master Chef. Put a point into Fortitude. Another point into Fortitude. And then next time we'll be able to do Living Off the Land. We need to get those by day 10. We need to get those maxed out by day 10. Actually, I think you can make stuff with beer. What I would like to get today is a workstation's books to be able to craft a workstation. That or getting a toilet pistol would be nice. But yeah, workstation's books to be able to craft a crafting bench. That would be incredibly useful. Let's break that windowsill to make it easier to get in and out of. Let's see what we've gotten so far. Medical journal books, 2 cookbooks. We can't use that for anything. We can use that for stuff, so we'll hold on to that. Wood splitter book, armored up books, primitive armor 6. So we are 1 book away from being able to craft what's it called? Regular armor. And then we're gonna need to save up for putting together that the farmer set. Should I be falling down there? Nice 1-hit KO. Jesus. You are feral. You are feral. I don't like you. Oh. Don't hit G, everybody. Don't hit G. I one time hit G when I was playtesting a series a while back. It was my original playtest for MacGyver series. Which, and if you don't remember, MacGyver is I have to craft everything. I hit G once, and I had just made a gun. And, come on. I threw my gun to the ground by accident. And lost it. I couldn't find it. was not a good time. So I am gonna need a lot of clay, soil, and stone for my base. So I'm gonna start trying to gather that. God. I don't like this place. I don't like this place one bit. I keep getting heavier and heavier. Oh, get back, get back. Nice. Got him. Alright, vehicle book. Mining book. There's a lot of wood here. I feel like there might be something behind it. Probably not, but who knows? Oh, shit. Can make fort bites. Oh! We're gonna go get that. While we're out here, might as well go get that. We can make we can make armors now. For now. Cool. Let's drop stuff off in our bike. And find it's out that way. How far out that way is it? It's pretty close to town. Cool. So unfortunately, no luck with the trader. We're gonna go back to town and maybe work some other POIs that we haven't gone through yet. Maybe a level 2 or a level 3. We've got a bunch of lockpicks. Maybe this supply crate will give us something good. Kind of want to try that military base, but I'm gonna have to take it really slow. I don't have the supplies for it, so I don't think that's gonna happen today. I don't have the equipment for it. Just not in a good spot for it. But that place looks really cool to do. We will do that. Eventually, we'll do it. We just need better equipment, or at least more ammo. Crafting skill. Let's get everything home and then we'll check those bundles. Alright, let's see. We got crafting skill, which is 2 armored up, 2 forge, and 2 shotgun weekly. We can make a level 3 pipe shotgun. 3 farming. Ooh, 3 farm plots. Goldenrod. We can make coffee and yucca. So let's put all these away and we'll deal with them later. Let's go around town, like I said, and just find another POI we haven't explored yet. Let's do the motel. We're here. Let's just do it. We might get some good stuff here. Who knows? Oh, I never got this stuff out of my bike. Don't overload yourself, walnuts. Come on, bird. Zombie birds, zombie vultures. Oh boy, I'm scared. If we could just get ammo. I want to try to do this without using ammo, but we just did a 2-star that had a feral, so, and we're in a 3-star. Or a 3 skull, I guess, not star. So it's definitely gonna have a feral in it. But I don't have a lot of ammo, so I need to worry about ammo. Which is why I'm trying to figure out a good way to turn the base, at least for day 1, or Horde 1, into like some form of melee style base. Because I just don't have the ammo for it otherwise. Like that, he is a runner. Oh, he just because he fell, I guess. Ooh, ammo pile, some 7.62. I sent him down below. Oh shit. I didn't mean to drop. Like there's so much more down there I could have explored. I don't like this. This is why I always die very fast. I get very ambitious. I don't check my corners very well. I'm gonna just let you fall down here. I'm just afraid I'm gonna run into a dog or something. Does this vending machine work? It does. Rockbusters, jailbreakers. That's the lock picking. We don't have any money on us though. Keep picking up paper and I don't mean to. Where'd she come from? Oh, I didn't like that. I'm so scared I'm gonna see a dog here or something. I don't know why a dog would be at a motel, but I just... That's what I'm thinking. That's what I think is gonna happen. So, we're gonna put a hatch right here, because we're gonna have to go into that room. And I wanted to have a hatch in the door between the two. And this way it's a way out, if I need to. And I can block them off. It's unlocked. I don't know which way to go. Let's go check the ladder real quick. Ladder's gotta be something. It's just for the power missions. I see. I see. Oh god. I know I swung at the right time. Is there any way to open this door? No. Guess this is, that can be used, yeah. Excuse me, sir. What are you doing up there? Hate this. Stop picking up paper. Oh, thank God I can get out at least. Oh, there's a fucking basement. Lucky looter. Junk and loot. Find more ammo and loot. I need that so bad. Oh. Where's the exit? Where's the exit? Oh my God. Who was behind me? Still more? No, this is just where the zombies came from. Alright, let's get the supplies. We should be good now. Wiring, tech, vehicle. We're gonna be able to make the mini bike before we can even make a workbench. Knuckle wraps. We'll repair those and sell them if we ever find a trader. Anything good? Fucking level 2 bone knife. Well, I mean, we'll take it all. I can scrap the iron arrowheads. Read that. Accept. Far away is that? I don't know. Let's make our way upstairs. Alright, so it's 500 meters that way. We have 9 lockpicks. We'll do that tomorrow. We're not gonna do it today because I don't feel like digging. We only have 2 hours till night, so I wanna drop stuff off and maybe find a quick place to loot because I am stacked full of loot. I don't have any room for loot, and so we need to find somewhere quick, somewhere easy, like a tier 1 place to loot. Let's do the daycare. We'll do a quick speed run there for the daycare. Oh, this is the daycare with the basement, isn't it? Where are you at? How am I missing so much? Yeah, this is the daycare with the basement. This is gonna be a rough one, but we're gonna run it. We're gonna run it real fast. We're gonna try not to loot too much. Sorry, that big hitters. Ooh, a triple pocket armor mod. Let's put that on. That's gonna be pretty useful. See, I'm not gonna loot everything, and then I start looting everything. This is where it's gonna get dicey. I just gotta wake them all up. Oh god. Let's just make sure there's nothing up here to sneak up on me. No. Okay, good. Great. A day where I didn't want to use any ammo. I used, like, all the ammo. Two handy books. I won't set off mines if I step on them. That's nice. Alright, let's run home. Let's get home. It was a quick run. It was dicey, but we did it. Alright. No trader, which sucks. Let's see. Bow hunters, bar brawling, 2 more cooking, and shotgun messiah. Literally targets within 3 meters. Have high dismember chance. And we got 2 skill points. I'm gonna go through my inventory. Unfortunately, we didn't find the trader. Unfortunately, we can't do any our workstation. Our crafting station. We need 3 more workstation books. Can we make a wrench? Can't make a wrench because those 2 salvage tool books are the first 2 salvage tool books that we got all session, all game. So I'm gonna go ahead, sort my inventory, set up what I need to set up. Let's grab the that and repair that again. And I will see you guys all back next time for Horde Night. So I'm gonna do some work trying to set up for the Horde, see what we can set up, see what we can get put together, and yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out and being here. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button so the algorithm knows that people like you will like me too. Subscribe to the channel so you get updates, notifications when I go live and post new videos. And leave comments down below. Hints, tips, tricks. Respond to all comments back. Be sure to check me out live both here on YouTube and Twitch on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, where I live stream just whatever games I'm feeling like streaming. And yeah, please be careful, be safe, don't do anything I wouldn't do. Always help your loved ones, and of course, like always, be sure to miss our socks. See you all.